Hi, I'm Rakesh Varan. Today I'm going to show you my Web API project, which is nearby hotel and restaurant finder system. As you can see, there is a web page. This is the project. Okay, before we discuss about the project, we go for the code. Okay, this is the code that I done for the project. Okay, and this is the server, and this is the client. Okay, in the server you can see that I call a web API that which I get the result from the Google APIs by using my API key which I show in the configuration. That is my API key, and longitude is static that I use for everything, for both API call, for the hotel and then for the restaurant. Okay, for the hotel, for restaurant, I use call for the I get the result and push to the database particular result to the MongoDB, which is name, score rating, total rating, and address. Okay, if there are the same data go to the database, it will be deleted. I mean, it won't pass to the it won't push to the database because it's the same output. Okay, and then to output to the interface, we got the receive data one. This is the API that we're going to use for the next client. Okay, this output data, they will output the particular data from the from the MongoDB. Okay, for the same thing goes to the restaurant, for the hotel. Okay, this is the same thing. Okay, this also the call API, put the API key config one. Okay, then get the particular result push into the database, which MongoDB, and the same thing they won't send the same result to the database. Okay, that's all the same thing. Receive data. This is we get the receive data for this part. This part. Okay, the same goes to the send API. Okay, this part we done. Okay, I'm going to show you the configuration for the connector for the MongoDB. This is the connector. I get the server things, the link, and then I connect by using Mongoose. Okay, and I use schema, which which is the connector to the hotel, the collection for the Mongoose. Okay, and I push export the data to the Mongoose. Okay, for the same thing, go to restaurant and hotel. Okay, server part has done. Okay, now we go for the client. Okay, the client, you can see that I have called I use the React interface, and this is how I call the APIs. Okay, and I use the term of Axios. Okay, and this to send data means it's just this API to send the data to the Mongoose. Okay, then they get the data from the Mongoose to the interface. This is the one. Okay, this thing you can see in the okay, this one they call by using this one. Okay, and then the same thing goes to the restaurant. Okay, they send data to the data MongoDB, and then they take from that to the take from them to the interface. This is receive data to the interface. Okay, and so then you can see that all the output will be here by using the variables. Okay, and okay, now we go for the interface. Okay, and after I refresh, this is the main page. That after I refresh the first page, okay, to find hotel, just enter the you're able to see all the list of hotels nearby. Okay, there's also have a sort search sorting. Okay, sorting. Okay, and same goes to the restaurant to find the nearbys. Okay, okay, rest, and you can go even next page. Okay, this is the next page. Okay, okay, this is the interface that I had done. So okay, it's a simple and okay, um, okay, so okay, there's only one result. Okay, okay. Now we go for the okay. Before that, I already has whole server use hosting in the Heroku. So that is I use the link. Okay, I use the link, the hosting link here, which is APIs. Okay, this is the one. I already post in the Heroku. That means use the server Heroku. Okay, this the one. Okay, and now we go for the Postman. Okay, okay, the Postman. This is the to get the one received data from the MongoDB to interface. As you can see, receive data in JSON format. Okay, and to set the data is just to take from the exo. It's a back of the interface. It's just sent to the MongoDB. Okay. Okay. The next is we go for the same thing for the restaurant. Okay, and this is hotel, and this is restaurant. There's a different. Okay, okay, this you can see that's all in JSON format nearby things. Okay, and same thing goes to send data, save data saved. That means it's already in the MongoDB. Okay, and okay, for the Google APIs, I use this link, which is the Google API. Then I use hotel, which I find the name which hotel and the APIs. Okay, as you can see, all the details, JSON format. Okay, this one. Same thing go for restaurant. Okay, okay. That's all. Thank you very much. Thank you.